9th floor.
Sorry ma'am, pwedeng kayo na lang po pumindot. Marami po kasunod.
Inuutosan mo ba ako?
Ay, hindi po.
Press mo na rin kaya ako, bro, para more chances of winning. Good morning, ma'am.
She's the boss. He's the assistant.
I'm taking a 2-month leave, starting on Monday. Pong, siya muna magiging boss mo habang wala ako. You want film me, right?
Of course not, sir.
Where's your boss?
Oh, he's not here.
This is very important meeting. I don't want to talk to any assistant, okay?
Sir Pong! You made it!
Is your boss?
Ma, I'm the boss?
Yes, you're the boss. He's my boss.
I'm the boss.
Pero paano kung si assistant naging boss?
Walang boss na naka-Hawaiian shirt, oversized pants, at maduming sapatos.
Baka meron naman mo.
Saan? Patayin ko?
Who's the boss?
Let me remind you na ako pa rin ang boss as assistant ka lang kaya wag kang mag-walk up sa akin.
Di ba ikaw ang humingi ng pabor sa akin na to? Ako ang boss, di ba? Kaya ikaw pa rin ang susunod sa akin.
May meeting pa ba kasi ngayong araw?
I will check it, sir. Pairam po ng planner.
Oh my gosh!
Star Cinema proudly presents the sweetest summer ever with the official kilig couple of the season, Tony Gonzaga and Coco Martin.
Tarang ka!
Sa kanilang pag-pretend, maging tunay na pag-ibig kaya in the end?
No. Miss, I said 2 bedrooms, hindi 2 beds.
Ikaw di mo pala sinabi sa akin na gusto mo kong makasama sa kwarto. But it's okay, I will understand.
You're my boss!
Ilabas ang helicopter. Mamamasya na.
It's helicopter.
Helicopter?
Helicopter.
Directed by Antoinette Hadaune. April 4 in cinemas nationwide.
I'm taking a 2-month leave, starting...
Go. He's the boss.
Yes. Where's your boss? Ulit.
1, 2, 3, go. No. 2, 3, go. No. Miss, I said 2 bedrooms.
Where's your boss?
Sa kanya?
Dito.
Ay,
Dito yun.
Ay.
1, 2, 3, go. Sir Pong!